camera. So let me do it. Okay, we're gonna rip it.
No.
There's the instructions. You read it. The camera. And the camera. The camera. And some battery. Yep. This is. There's battery. Let's let kids play with batteries. How do I put the film? This is my camera. I forgot.
You read it, what it says.
It's sky blue color. This is my camera looks like. And this is my picture. So that one isn't working. So it's time to. We haven't, yeah. It comes from here, look. The film. The film, see? Fits. So, the camera looks like this. Probably not. Hi guys. Hi. Look, we already unboxed my camera. So, my Polaroid camera, and we put the film. So, that's it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. And go to subscribe and like if you like the video. Now,